I have done over $15 million in online sales, and today we're going to break down the difference between selling on the TikTok shop versus selling on Amazon. If you guys are new to this channel, I've been selling things online for the last 8 years. That's what I do. That's what I love. And I want to help you guys go and make an absolute killing with these opportunities to sell products online. Selling on Amazon is phenomenal, but selling on TikTok is amazing as well. And I want to break down the difference between the both of them. So if you guys are new, make sure to subscribe, like the video, drop a comment, and let's get into it. All right, so let's dive right into it and compare selling on Amazon versus selling on TikTok. As you guys heard, I have an extensive background with selling things online, and I'm going to be able to give you an interesting perspective. And at the end, I'm going to give you guys what I would recommend if I was you starting today. Which platform would I start selling on, and which would be my strategy? So as you guys know, Amazon, one of the largest companies in the world, you can literally buy any product on there. You click a few buttons, you hit order, and boom, it gets shipped to your house in 1 to 2 days, and sometimes in a few hours. It's insane. We've got TikTok. It's been this social media giant for the last few years that exploded through the pandemic, and they just released a new program called TikTok Shop. It's their native shopping platform where you're scrolling on TikTok, and as you scroll, there are videos that are promoting certain products, and you can click on that video and buy the product directly from TikTok. So both opportunities are pretty crazy, and I have made a lot of money doing both. Now, I have been selling on Amazon for a lot longer, and I've made a lot more money selling on Amazon, but that doesn't mean TikTok is not an amazing opportunity. And to be honest, I see it as a ground floor of an opportunity that everybody should be taking advantage of. And again, at the end, I'll share with you guys my strategy and what I'm going to be doing moving forward. So we've got Amazon. We're going to dive into my screen and share with you guys some things of how Amazon works and how TikTok work. And actually, what we're going to do is we're going to jump into my phone first and show you guys how TikTok works. So right here, as you guys can see, I'm doing a quick screen share. This is just my profile, just as a normal person would be scrolling. And as you can see, this guy made a video replying to some comment, and he has this little shop button right here. So you click on this, and this is somebody selling a product on the TikTok shop. And what's cool with TikTok is, again, you just kind of scroll through, and it's just this kind of natural shopping experience. And this is what makes it very different. So like right here, this is Wise. So Wise is a big brand on Amazon, but they're also on the TikTok shop. So I click right here, and then I can buy the product, and boom, I can get it shipped to my house. It's not going to be like the 1 to 2 days, but it's a super easy shopping experience. So that is how people sell on TikTok. And the biggest difference between TikTok and Amazon is TikTok, you are basically creating viral content and creating content for the platform so that when people are scrolling through their profile or through their feed, they see the video and they're like, huh, this is interesting. I want to buy it. So it's more of an impulse purchase. It's more of a, I don't necessarily need it, but this looks cool. I want to buy it. Where Amazon is quite the opposite. People come with Amazon with the intent to buy. And this is what makes the two kind of different. And this is where both are extremely powerful. And I want to show you guys how to kind of marry them together. So that is how TikTok works. Again, this is a video that Wise made, and they're promoting their product. They're live. You can go live and promote your product. So there's a lot of different ways to really promote your product with TikTok. You've got TikTok Shop Affiliates, which is basically how you're going to really scale selling on TikTok. You have TikTok Lives. You can go live, talk about your product. You have TikTok Organic. You can make organic content. And if a video goes viral, you can sell literally thousands of dollars in a matter of a few seconds. You have TikTok Paid Ads. So if you find certain creatives or certain affiliates that are doing well, you can put advertising dollars behind those videos and push and promote them to get them in front of more eyes, which then leads to more customers. So the virality and honestly the overall just potential of profits, TikTok is crazy. And my margins, and this is kind of a spoiler alert, but my margins on TikTok are a lot better on Amazon. But does that mean that TikTok is better than Amazon? I don't know. We're going to get to that in a second. But that is a few things to note with TikTok. And now what I want to do is I want to jump into my screen and help you guys better understand how Amazon works. So right here, we are on Amazon. Like I mentioned, people are going with the intent to buy. So if I need something, if I need deodorant, if I need dishwasher soap, or if I need, we're in my studio, I need some shelves, I need some books, I need a globe, I need floating shoe shelves. So I need shoe shelves. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to type in shoe shelves for my wall. And I'm going to search that and I'm going to scroll and I'm going to see what product I like. And I'm going to say, okay, this one's good. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to buy it. And it's pretty a seamless process. And what's cool with Amazon is people are coming to the platform. They have an account, they have a Prime account, and they have their credit card locked and loaded. And all they need to do is search for the product. And then once they find it, they're going to buy it. And that is extremely powerful. So both of them have an insane amount of power. We've got Amazon, where people are coming searching for products, and if you can find a product that is being searched and then fill the needs of it, you can crush it. And if you learn how to rank for these search terms, that's where you're going to absolutely crush the game of selling on Amazon. Where TikTok, it's more of this, native shopping experience where you got to create these creatives, these videos that feel like they're just a TikTok video. And if it goes viral, you are going to explode. But as soon as that video kind of dies down and it's not viral, there's not, like, you have to continue pushing for viral videos. You have to continue pushing for paid to promote those videos. You have to keep pushing to get affiliates. Where Amazon has that organic, just existing customer base that is so powerful, and it's just insane. So those are kind of the differences. So they're very similar, but very different at the same time. And if I was you and you were just starting, this is what I would be doing. And this is what I'm currently doing. And this is my strategy moving forward with all of my students. And we have everything kind of dialed out for them. So if you guys are interested in learning the A to Z process, I'll put the link down below. You guys can fill out an application. But what I'm focused on is launch a product on Amazon. And when we're doing product research, we're looking for products that fit Amazon and that also fit the TikTok shop. And how you do that is there's a bunch of different strategies. I have videos on the channel that break that down, but we are finding products that fit on Amazon that people are searching for, that are low competition, that there's holes in the market for us to come in and improve upon. And if we can do that, and if we can successfully sell on Amazon, and that product has viral potential, you can also sell that on TikTok. And that is the golden strategy. That is the gold mine of an opportunity right now. Launch on Amazon and take that same exact product and sell it on TikTok. There's no extra effort. If you're going to launch on TikTok, we might as well be on Amazon. If you're going to launch on Amazon, you might as well be on TikTok. And the process is very similar. And it carries over. And this is where there's so much opportunity to take advantage of both. So again, you find a product that fits on Amazon. And I will say it's going to be harder to find products that fit on Amazon than harder to find products, or easier. It's easier to find products that fit on TikTok. So you want to start with a harder platform, Amazon, because there's a specific criteria of what we're looking for. And if that criteria works, we need to ask ourselves, can we make a viral video about this product? And if the answer is yes, then hey, it can work and it can fit on TikTok. And so that's the simple strategy, is you launch on Amazon and then you sell on TikTok. And if you can do this, you are going to explode. And this is what I've been doing basically this year. And I've seen just dramatic growth outside of Amazon and also on Amazon, where before, a year and a half ago, I was basically 100% dependent on Amazon, where I was doing 1.3 million on Amazon. And now I'm doing the same numbers on Amazon, $1 million, but I'm now doing over 6 figures per year between TikTok and Shopify. And it's because I'm able to branch out. So now not all of my business is dependent on Amazon. And so that is where I see the future of selling things online, is not just focus on one platform, understand how to leverage the both. And Amazon and TikTok, they work perfectly together. So that is the difference between the two. That is what I would do if I was you. Take advantage of both, launch on Amazon, then launch on TikTok. And if you guys are interested in replicating and doing that same exact thing like I've done and helped, we're talking thousands of students through the entire process, I'll put the link down below. And we just opened up spots to take people through the Amazon process and then also help them with TikTok. So we are different than anyone in the market. There's a lot of gurus that don't even sell on Amazon. There's a lot of gurus that don't even sell on TikTok that are trying to promote a program or mentorship or coaching or course, but they can't because they don't do it themselves. But we are here right now. I do these things on a daily basis. So if you guys want to learn from the best, then click the link, schedule a free consultation. I'll take you through the entire process and we'll show you how we'll help you launch on Amazon. And we'll take that same product and launch it on TikTok and help you guys build an actual business. We're not flipping products. We're not selling other people's products. We're not building something that's going to be short term. We're building something for the long term. And once we build that something for the long term, we have an exit strategy. We're able to sell our brand and we're able to start others or do other things. That is why I love this model of building brands on Amazon and TikTok. So much potential, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I just wanted to give you guys a breakdown of the difference between the two. Both are amazing platforms. They're just a little bit different, but again, the skill sets for both are very similar and they carry over one to another. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, drop a comment, and we will see you in the next one.